Welcome to VTR. As a university student, there's a good chance you're already quite familiar with textbook prices. You know, being made to pay dozens, if not hundreds of dollars for a book your professor might have you read a sentence or two from. While you can certainly think of this program as a textbook of sorts, you should know that you've invested in far more than an ordinary school book. You've invested in a story, the story of Central Products to be exact. We as humans learn by telling stories and we grow through them. And we at VTR believe that your education can be greatly enhanced through the use of narrative. Because of this enduring belief, the courses we offer are packed with exciting twists and turns. Will Ken finally tell Molly how he feels about her? Will Christy survive being kidnapped by Vikings? Most importantly, will Central Products expansion efforts ultimately turn out to be fruitful? Throughout our courses, you will learn from various characters by completing assignments for them, interacting with them by answering questions and receiving emails, and even become annoyed with a few of them when they behave like obnoxious coworkers you find at any job. So what are you waiting for? When you're ready, just click launch.